Welcome to the Ronix studio. Today we're excited to show you the Ronix 86 All-in-One series, our most complete collection of cordless tools, constantly updated with the newest innovation. What makes them so special? Let's take a look. Need a vacuum cleaner, a chainsaw, a circular saw? The Ronix 86 series has over 50 tools, covering whatever you need. And here is the best part. Just one 20-volt battery works for all the tools in this series. Just switch it from one tool to another and you're ready to tackle any job in no time. Plus, we're constantly adding new items to the collection. Just when you think you've seen it all, bam, more surprises. Stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to check our catalog for more details. Until then, keep those tools charged and ready.